Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get mints in Pixelmon. Mints are incredibly useful items that allow you to change your Pokémon's nature, which directly affects two of its stats. Understanding how to obtain these can give you a significant advantage in battles and competitive play. We will go through the simple, step-by-step process to craft any mint you need, ensuring your Pokémon are always at their best. The first crucial step to crafting any mint is gathering apricorns. These colorful fruits grow on special apricorn trees, which are commonly found in many biomes across your Pixelmon world. Simply right-click an apricorn tree to harvest its fruit. Each tree can yield between 1 and 3 apricorns. While the color of the apricorn itself doesn't determine the mint's nature, they are a fundamental component for every single mint recipe. Once you have your apricorns, the next step is to gather the specific flower corresponding to the nature you desire. For instance, if you want a modest mint, you'll need a white flower. An adamant mint requires a red flower, and so on. These flowers spawn naturally in different biomes, so explore your world to find them. Alternatively, you can cultivate them from seeds, providing a reliable source for your crafting needs. With both an apricorn and the correct flower in hand, you are ready to craft your mint. Simply place one apricorn and one of your chosen flowers into any crafting grid. This will instantly produce the specific nature mint you need. To use it, just right-click on your Pokémon with the mint in your hand. The Pokémon's nature will change, and its stats will adjust to reflect its new personality, optimizing it for battle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.